Hi, my name is Sarah Sprague, and I'm the recreation therapist at Lincolnia Senior Center. I'm here today to teach you a chair exercise. Please remember to have a water bottle with you, a clear area, a sturdy chair, and then you've checked with your doctor that you are able to complete exercise. If anything starts to bother you and hurt, please stop and call your doctor immediately. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started and take a deep breath in and out. And in again, and out. And one more time, in and out. Let's go ahead and lean that ear to your shoulder. Keep those shoulders down, ear to shoulder. And up to the other side, ear to shoulder. And up, again, ear to shoulder. And up, ear to shoulder. Beautiful. Up, roll those shoulders back. Nice and big shrugs. Keep going. Beautiful. All right, now stop. And let's go forward. Beautiful. And stop. Now up and down with those shoulders. Up and down. Up and down. Nice and slow. Up and down. Keep going. And stop. Beautiful. Go ahead. Let's roll those wrists out. Perfect. Change direction. Awesome. All right. Close those hands and flick. Close and open. Close and open. Keep going. And last time, beautiful. Rest those arms. Now we're going to do fingers to thumbs. So touch, 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 touch. Keep going. Beautiful. Touch, 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 touch. Last time, touch, 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 touch. And relax. Go ahead, and we are going to stretch those arms up to the sky and down and touch our toes. And back up to the sky and down and touch your toes. And bring yourself up. Go ahead. Grab one side of the chair. You're going to raise the arm up and lean over to the side, stretching this side of your body. Remember, hold on to that chair just so you don't fall out. And up. Now we're going to go the other side. Grab side of the chair, arm up to the ceiling, and lean over. And up to the center. Now back to the other side. And up and back to the other side. Beautiful. And up. And let's go ahead and put both of those arms up to the ceiling. And down, touch your toes one more time. And bring yourself up back to center. Beautiful. All right, now we're going to stretch out those hips. Grab your knee, pull it in towards your chest. Keep that chest lifted up. Don't put too much pressure on that knee. So hold a little bit below. And release. Now we got to do the other leg. So pull that leg up, right below the knee, holding, chest up. Beautiful. Alrighty, and drop. Now let's do hip circles. A little grab on the knee, and we're going to circle our leg out nice and big. Keep that chest up. Try not to slouch. Beautiful. And stop. Alrighty, other leg. Grab the knee and hip circle out. Good. Keep that chest up. Beautiful. And stop. Perfect. You may need to scoot back a little bit in your chair for this one. You're going to stick your legs out in front of you. Point those toes and flex. Point, flex. Point, flex. Point, and flex. Now, point those toes and reach forward. You don't have to go too far. And up. Now, flex them. and reach. You should feel the stretch behind your calf muscle. Good job, and release. Perfect. We're gonna scooch a little bit forward. You're gonna stick your leg out. You're gonna roll your ankle. Roll it in one direction. Good job. And stop. And now the other direction. Perfect. And stop. Now the other leg, roll that ankle. And stop. And the other direction. Perfect. All right, and stop. We're going to go ahead and go up on our toes. So you're going to lift those heels up off the ground. You may have to scooch a little bit forward in your chair, but you got it. And up your toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to go back up on our heels. So lift those toes up. So up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Now take a deep breath in and out and in again and out. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get our heart rate up with our cardio. So we're going to start a little bit of a march. Nothing too crazy, nice and slow. Remember, take the cardio at your own pace. You don't have to keep up too fast. Take it at your own pace, what you feel comfortable with. And over time, you'll pick up your speed too. And remember, you can always come back to marching in place. All right, get marching. Start to lift those knees up higher. Good, keep it going. We're gonna be here for a little bit, slowly working our heart rate up. And then we're gonna get into the exciting stuff. Good job, keep it up. March it out. Get those arms moving. Awesome job. Good job. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna run in place for a count of 10. So on my mark, all right, 3, 2, 1, and running. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, march it out. Good job, keep it up. Remember, take it at your own pace. Running again on my mark in 3, 2, 1, run. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, march it out. Good job, everybody. All right, what we're going to do next, we're going to kick it out. So push forward, legs out, arms out. Good job, everybody. Keep it up. Keep pushing. Out in front. Make sure you're sitting up tall. Good job. And march in place. All right, we're going to go ahead into our jumping jacks. We're going to first start with a half jack. So one leg out, one arm up. So we're going to start with our right side first. Alrighty, and out, 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 out. Keep going. Good job, everybody. Awesome. Almost there. And march it out. Now we're going to combine those half jacks to a full jack. Keep on marching. So we're going to take both arms out and both legs out all at the same time. Ready? And 3, 2, 1. Jumping jack. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. March it out. Good job. We're going to do one more set of those. Keep marching. Awesome. Alrighty, jumping jacks in 3, 2, 1. Jumping jack, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out. Good job. Alrighty. Since we've done jumping jacks, let's go ahead and jump some rope. We're going to start jumping backwards. So your arms are going to go back. Alrighty? And you're going to lift those legs up both at the same time, up towards your chest. So keep that chest up. On my mark, 3, 2, 1. Jump rope back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. March it out. Remember, marching is your safe spot. Alrighty, let's go ahead. Let's go for a dip in the pool. So let's swim, swim, swim. Front stroke. You can keep those legs moving. Perfect. Alrighty, now into the middle and pull. Push 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 and pull. March it out. Alrighty. You may need to scoot back a little bit in your chair because you're going to get those legs up into the air. And we are going to flutter kick our legs and our arms. Ready? So arms up, legs up, flutter kicks. Good job. Keep going. If you can't, go faster. Good job. And slow down. Beautiful. Now, we're going to scissor both our arms and legs. So crisscross them. Changing direction. One arm up, one arm underneath. Good job. Now, let's flutter again. Flutter, flutter, flutter. Good job. Can go faster. Perfect. And stop. March it out. Good job, everybody. Now we're going to kick out again. Keep it going. Doing great. What we're going to do next is bring our knees to our chest. I said knees to chest. Yes, not chest to knees. So keep that chest up, and we are going to knees to chest. Up, up, up. Good job. Keep going. Awesome. Now, march it out. Good job, everybody. Now what we're going to do is you're going to climb up. So get those knees up, arms up. Climb. Climb that ladder. Up, 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 up. Good job. Keep going. Almost to the top. Now I need you to go faster, though. So up, 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 up. Up that ladder, up, up, and stop. March it out. Good job, everybody. Keep it up, keep it up. All righty. What we're going to do next, punches. You ready? Just going to punch across. Punch, 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 punch. Keep it going. Nice and tight arms, so squeeze those muscles. No loosey-goosey arms. Nice. Beautiful. Now we're going to do uppercuts, so up, 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 up. Keep it going. Up, up. Keep breathing. And to the side again. Good job. Keep going. Now you're going to take your arms down. So down, down. Keep it down. Beautiful. Across again. Good job. Now you're going to take your arms up, up, up. Good job. Keep going. Beautiful, and march it out. All right, now we gotta roll those arms. Start in the middle. Let's roll them. Good job, everybody. Roll them up. And roll them down. And middle to the side. Other side. And middle. Now, switch directions. Middle. Down. Up. Side. Other side. And middle. And roll as fast as you can. Faster, 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 faster. And stop. March it out. Alrighty, we're almost there. What I need you to do for me is a combination of jumping jacks, jump roping, and jumping jacks again. You got it? You can do it. I trust and believe in you. Alrighty, ready? Jumping jacks, full jumping jacks too. In 3, 2, 1, jumping jack, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump rope back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jumping jacks, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. March it out. Keep it going. We're going to start to slow down a little bit. So, start to slow those legs down, slow those arms down. What I want you to do is just slowly take your legs out. Sort of feel that stretch in those knees. Yeah, me too. Get your breath. Alrighty, and slow it down. Beautiful. And stop and breathe it in. And out. And in again. And out. Alrighty, next what I need you to do is grab a small ball. So I have a small yellow fitness ball. You can use a pillow. You can use your dog's playing ball if it's clean and you feel up to it. And if not, you can just still do the same things as me, just without anything. So what we're going to start first with is using the ball with our hands. So we're going to hold it, and it's in our palms. So my fingers are up, if you can see that, okay? And you're going to squeeze. Your arms are out to the side, and you're just going to squeeze in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax. Shake it out. Perfect. Alrighty, ball up, arms out. Now with your fingers, so get that palm off. Fingers holding only. And you're going to squeeze again for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax. Alrighty, starting in your lap, you're going to raise your ball up to the ceiling, behind your head, back up and down. Alrighty, 10 times. Ready? Raise it up, down, up to your lap. 1, up, back, up, down. 2, up, back, up, down. 3, up, down, 4, up, back, up, down. 5, up, back, up, down. 6, up, down, 7, up, back, down. 8, 2 more, up, back, up, down. 9 last time, up, back, up, and down. 10. Good job, everybody. All right, what we're going to do next, we're going to take this ball. We're going to place it in between your knees, okay? So you really want it right on your knees. You're going to feel all this work in your inner thigh, okay? So if you have it too far up, you're really not going to get any work out of it. So right at your knees, okay? You're going to squeeze these thigh muscles. You're going to squeeze the ball in and release. But make sure the ball doesn't drop. So you got to keep it squeezed a little bit so that your muscles are always going to be tense. So a little bit. Alrighty? So ball in the middle, hands on your hips, and squeezing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and release. Good job, everybody. Go ahead, drop that ball just like that. You need to grab some water. We're going to go ahead into our strengthening exercises. Arms first. So if you have any weights, awesome. Go ahead, grab them. If you have a water bottle, those work as well. And either soup cans. So those work as well too. And again, remember, if you don't have anything, you're still lifting the weight of your arm. So just natural weight. All right, so we're going to start with bicep curls. We're going to do one arm at a time, so that way you can really focus on your form. So starting with our left arm. So we are going to do arm down by your side. You want to always keep your elbow in, nice and tucked in close, okay? And it's a very slow count up to your shoulder, alrighty? And a slow count down. We're not in a race to be pumping iron. We're taking it nice and slow. And you always want to squeeze those muscles going up and squeezing on the way down. So that way you have more control of it and it's not flinging on you, alrighty? So I'm going to do a slow count up, and we're going to do a set of 10, alrighty? So up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 more. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, everybody. Other arm. Same thing. Elbow in. Squeeze those muscles. Don't let that arm fling. And we're going to take it nice and slow. 10 times. And up for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 more. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time, up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Shake it out. All right, next thing we're going to do is triceps. So if you have 2 weights, you can use both weights, or you can just use one. I'm going to do both. I'm going to place my arms up above my head. Alrighty, so make sure you have a firm grip on your weights, okay? And if at enter point, drop those weights as soon as you bring them down to here. Alrighty, so arms up, watch me first. You're going to drop down behind your head and back up. I'm going to turn to the side for you to see. So up, behind, and up, okay? All right, so we're going to do 10 of those. Both arms at the same time this time. Arms up, and behind, and back up for 1. And behind, up for 2. Behind, up for 3. Behind, up for 4. Behind, up for 5. Behind, up for 6. Behind, up for 7. Behind, up for 8. Behind, up for 9. And last time, down and up. And 10, and drop it down. Beautiful. Shake it out. Beautiful. Alrighty, what next we're going to do is side arm raises. Watch me first. When you bring it up, you're going to bring it up nice and slow. You're going to make a T. You're going to stop right here. Anything above here can hurt your shoulders. So stay here. If you make sure you sort of pull it out towards the front of you. So I'm going to turn to the side for you to see that. So I'm just going to raise one arm. So my arm is sort of forward, alrighty, and it's right here in line with my shoulder. It's not for any further up, okay? So we're going to raise it up for 10. Squeeze those muscles nice and slow. Remember, when you drop down, you're not dropping so hard, okay? It's nice and controlled. Alrighty, arms up and back down for 1, and up and down for 2, and up, down for 3, up, down for 4, up, down for 5, up, down for 6, up, down for 7, up, down for 8, up, down for 9, and last time, up and down for 10. Good job, everybody. Shake it out. Next, we're going to do our front raises. So you're going to arms by your side, and you're going to raise just to shoulder height. So I'm going to turn to the side so you can see that. No higher than here. So right here, in line with my shoulder. Okay? So we're going to do 10 arm raises to the front. And raising up for 1. And down. Up 2. And down. Up 3. And down. Up 4. And down, up 5, and down, up 6, and down, up 7, and down, up 8, and down, up 9, and down, and up 10, and down. Good job. Shake it out. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to put it into muscle man. You're going to push those arms up. So you can hold it here, muscle man, goalpost, whatever you want to call it, or you can drop it down, okay? Feels more comfortable. So from here, you're going to raise those arms all the way up and bring it back down. So to stop here, make sure you squeeze those muscles. Alrighty, so I'm going to drop my arms for a little bit. Alrighty, get those arms up, muscle man it up, 10 times up, and up for 1, and down, up 2, and down, up 3, and down, up 4, and down, up 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, and 10, and down, and release. Shake it out. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open up that door. So your arms are gonna be right in front of you, okay? You're gonna open it up and close it up, okay? 10 times. Ready? Arms up and open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And release. Good job, everybody. Alrighty, so now we're going to pick up that pail of water. So your arms are by your side. When I say down, you're going to go down to one side and raise the opposite arm up. And then we'll do it to the other side. So then you're going to go down, raise the other arm, just like you're picking up a pail of water. Okay? So in the center, and we're going to go down to 5 times each side. Right? So down for 1 and back up. Same side. Down for 2 and back up. Down for 3 and up. Down for 4 and up. Down for 5 and back to center. Other side now. Down and up for 1. Down, up for 2. Down, up for 3. And down, up for 4. And down, up for 5. And shake it out. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and do some leg work. If you have like ankle weights, you can use those. I'm not going to use any, so I'm just going to drop my dumbbells onto the ground here. Alrighty, so we're going to first focus and do some leg raises. So we're going to bend your knee up, you're going to kick it out, and you're going to bring it back. Don't drop that foot though, because once you drop that foot, the muscle relaxes. So what we want to do is keep that muscle tense. So I'm going to show from the side. You're going to raise that leg up, kick it out, and bring it back, but don't drop it until I say we're done. So that's after a count of 10. Alrighty, ready? So raise the leg up, out, back, and that's 1. Out, back 2. Out, back 3. Up, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, everybody. Shake it out, bounce it out. Remember, sitting here and you're working your legs, it makes you want to slouch, but make sure you engage their core muscles and sit up tall. Other leg, raise it up, kick it out, bring it back and hold. 1, out, 2, out, 3, out, 4, out, 5, out, 6, out, 7, out, 8, out, 9, last time, and 10, and bring it down. Shake it out. Good job, everybody. All right, we're going to do straight leg raises to the front. So you're going to stick your leg out to the front. I tend to angle my toe up at a diagonal towards the ceiling. When you raise your leg, you go no higher than your knee that's bent. Alrighty? So we're not Rockettes or cheerleaders kicking our legs up too high. So, and you're going to feel this in your inner thigh. So go ahead, angle that toe, hands on your hips, sit up tall, engage that core. And you're going to raise the leg up for 1 and down, up 2 and down, up 3 and down, up 4 and down, up 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, 9, last time, and 10. Good job. Alrighty, other side. Same thing, toe angled up towards the ceiling. No higher than your knee are we going to kick it up. Alrighty, squeeze those muscles, sit up tall, hands on your hips, raise it up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax, shake it out. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to turn sideways in your chair. You're going to sort of go into a lunge, back leg out straight. You're going to sort of kick that leg up into your backside. and back down. Ready? So looking forward, so find a spot in the wall in front of you, okay? And we're raising that leg up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, switch to the other side. So, leg back, find a spot right in front of you to keep your balance, holding on to the back of the chair if necessary, and raise that leg up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and turn back to the front, shake it out. All righty. We are going to go up on our toes, and on the last time, we're going to hold it for 10 seconds. So we're going to go up for 9, and on that last one for 10, hold for 10. So up on our toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, up and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and release and shake it out. Good job, everybody. All righty, we are going to stretch and cool down. And let's go ahead and take a deep breath in and out, and in again, and out. All right, let's go ahead and ear to shoulder. Relax those shoulders, ear to shoulder. And up, other side, ear to shoulder. And up, ear to shoulder. Good job. And again, ear to shoulder the other way. Perfect. And up. Going to roll those shoulders back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead. Raise one arm to the ceiling and stretch up. Reaching, reaching, reaching. Now relax. Take that arm behind your head, other arm behind your back. Good job. Release those arms. Other arm up to the ceiling. Reach, reach, reach. And drop it behind your head. Other arm behind your back. Keep that head up. Good job. And release. Go ahead, roll those wrists out. And close, and open, close, and open, close, open, close, and open. Shake, shake, shake. All right, you're going to take your one arm across your chest, other arm up over your lower arm. Relax those shoulders. You should feel it in here in this muscle. If your shoulders are up, you're not going to feel the stretch. So you know you feel it when your shoulders are relaxed. And release, other side, arm across the chest, other arm up over your lower arm. Good job. And release. Go ahead, scooch back a little bit in your chair if you need to. Grab one side of the chair, arm up, and lean over to the side a little bit. And up, and release, other side, arm up, and reach over. And up to center. Arms up to the ceiling. Down and touch your toes. And up. And let's go back down, touch your toes. And up. And relax. Legs out in front of you. Point those toes and flex. Point and flex. Point and flex. Point, flex, and reach forward as far as you can. And release. Go ahead. We are going to grab that knee right below and pull into our chest. And release, other side. Beautiful, and release. Grab your knee, 10 hip circles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, you're going to take one ankle out. You're going to draw the number 0 to 9 with your ankle. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Other ankle, 0 to 9. Draw it out. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Beautiful. Let's go up on our toes 10 times again. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe it in and out and in again and out and in last time and out. Cross your arms in front of you. Give yourself a nice big hug for a job well done. And thank you, everybody, and have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye.